Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you what is don't recommend on YouTube Shorts video. So friends, before we start the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the video. At first we have to move on YouTube, then here you'll find Shorts, so click on it, and this is the Shorts. Okay, if you don't like this Shorts video, you can don't recommend. At first you have to click on this three dot. Okay, then here you'll find it don't recommend this channel. It means that you don't like this channel, okay, what they are giving, okay, you don't like it, so you just click on this don't recommend this channel and it will be gone. See, I'll click here. Yeah, it's remove. Okay, you can do like this if you don't like it. Okay, and it means it will be removed forever. It will not set for you. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.